Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 44 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're considering the exhaust system, but without actually putting it to the car yet. Mar Parker, yeah, we're continuing the previous episode when it was all bad stuff. We find out exactly how they survived, because I'm sure they did. There we go. We've also got Catwoman in there as well. There we go. Prison break-in. Poison Ivy. The comics. And year by year, we're up to Batman 1978. Nice things. Traditional art style. Still not got dark and moody yet, or not any more moody than normal. Here we go. Sign of the Joker. Detective Comics. Good. Right, so this is what we're doing. The resonators for the exhaust system. We're assembling them together. Basically doing the same thing on both of them, and then we've got those two which will be put onto the car at some point, but that won't take very long to do that. So we'll do it during 51 apparently. So this is what, 44. So not even next time. We've got to keep these safe for a couple of months. So let me clear this out of the way and let's get these resonators assembled. So we've got one marked L and one marked R. So we've got to match them together, obviously, because they're going to have holes in different places. So yeah, all we're going to do is fit that onto there, like that, with one of these screws, and then two more of those screws will hold it together. And then we'll be able to figure out which one's left and which one's right. I'm sure we'll figure it out. Yes, the tube is going upwards. That's just got to go on there like so. Tightened up. Quite a long screw for that, not doing very much. That on there, then that will go over the top like so, and obviously that depends which side that's on as to which one's left and which one's right. I'll get that in there, that one in there, and then that is basically done. Just got to do exactly the same again on the other one, and then keep them aside for months until we need them again. So let's get 3 more screws out. Put the screws in my spares pot. That's going to go on there. Once again, the angle coming upwards. That in there, get that all tightened. All the way, come on, a little bit more. There we go, that's that. And then we get the other side of that attached. And screwed in a bit, and then screw in the other side. It all lines up, then I can tighten it up, tighten it down, tighten it sideways, just get it tight, basically. Make sure it'll get tight, and then it'll be fine. So there we have that. And there we have that. So yes, they are now still left and right, obviously, apart from the holes being in different sides. Depending on which side they need to go, I don't know. But for now, that's that. We'll put those aside. That is the end of this month's delivery as well. So join me for more part works before I come back to this again. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.